Trying to get on here not looking like I just woke up. Today is actually, I'm gonna be working today. And you really eat money. You're working today. It's 10 a.m. 9 a.m. 9, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. And you're in the house. You're supposed to be working. That's because I started a remote job. And it's my first day, so I'm doing the onboarding. So literally and it's based in the Pacific time zone. And I'm on the East Coast. So right now it's like 7 a.m. to them and no one's working right now. So I'm up at 10 a.m. Chilling. So it's giving. I got a piece of cake with chocolate drizzle. And I'm gonna eat that for breakfast. Okay, so welcome to the daily vlog. We also need to shoot a podcast because we didn't have an episode go out this morning because I was really tired yesterday. No, what happened was for the past 3 days, I've been working insane. Working insane. So yesterday, I was real tired. I took a nap. I took like a 2-hour nap. I took a 2-hour nap. Woke up. Took dinner. And didn't do anything else. Like literally, I think I did nothing else. And break. Like, I only take breaks if I'm literally exhausted. It's not so I can recharge, it's literally because I'm just like, I'm gonna enjoy the fact that I'm exhausted. Dream, did you go out this morning? Did you go outside? You need to go to the bathroom? Or you already went outside? I'll take you out anyways. Let me ask her. I gotta ask her TT, she took you outside. I didn't sleep with Dream last night. He didn't sleep in my room. He slept in my sister's room. So I don't know if she woke up and took him outside. Did you go outside, baby? I think he probably did. But probably took him out, but I'll take him out again. So, my coffee's ready. Every time, coffee keeps me there. I'm loving this Sephora lip balm, I'm loving it. It comes with avocado butter. I'm loving it. So now that I'm done with my cake, I'm gonna bake, I'm gonna make avocado toast and potatoes for breakfast. Oh my God. So on the agenda today, podcast, 1 hour podcast, which I already have the script ready, so I can do that this morning. Regular filming. I'm gonna do a makeup routine, and I need to film that within the next hour. So first is gonna do makeup, then podcast, onboarding for my job, and I want to do a long form video. So I'll probably do like a 20-minute video in self-development, and then we have our 1 hour with the king, and then we have a makeup routine, and then that's all we have to do today. So I got some coding, and then we obviously are going to be into filming this vlog. I got some coding done yesterday, but then my system wasn't strong enough to support VS Code, so it kind of crashed a little bit. So like I was saying yesterday, I'm gonna have to get an engineering laptop that's faster. The only thing is engineering laptops are $2K, and I'm gonna have to get backups, so hard drives and stuff. Cause that's why I don't want to get too far into the code, because I don't have a hard drive, and I don't know how well it's gonna back up on a hard drive. So I'm okay, I'd rather just buy a laptop and buy a hard drive, and then know what's a good laptop than not have a great hard drive. So yeah. So what would you like I think are we gonna do a long form video or short form video? I think we're gonna do a short form video first. We're gonna do a get ready with me. Let's go. Okay. I'll see you guys later. So I gotta clean this house, child. If you can I made a mess right here. You got dishes in the sink. Makeup's done though. And I got a little claw clip in to pin it back out of my face so I can actually work. I had this in last night if you watched my YouTube video from last night. So I need to clean, because also they're coming to do inspections. I'm wearing this, hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. I know that hurt. I accidentally just I tried to go around him, but I accidentally hit him with my foot. I'm sorry, baby. It's okay. Come here. Okay. I know. He's gonna have a headache. He's gonna be okay. Please be quiet. I'm wearing the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation today. I am a makeup girly. I am a makeup girly, guys. So my boss is I just got off the phone with my boss. Basically, he said, hey, we're setting everything up today, so please be ready, check your email, have your email open, and I'll text you later. Because it's 7 a.m. in LA, or California, and it's 11:30 in Orlando, Florida. So, yeah. So I love the makeup today. The lipstick is a little on the yellow side, the actual lipstick. So that's why it's concealer, but and then without all the bright light, it's fine. So we are going to clean, and then we're gonna chill for today. And I'm getting paid today. And I have someone who wants to model scout me. I have someone who wants me to do content creation internship. I have a virtual assistant possible interview, and then I'm working on this assistant interview, and then I have you guys, and then I have my own startup, and then school. So it's a lot. So that's 7 things to do, 8 things. But then that's good. You know why it's good? Because it tells us in the Bible, biblically, when it talks about working hard, it says you should keep yourself busy with 7 to 8 things a day. So if you're only busy with one thing, you're not working as hard as you could be. and they're like, well, what about ministry? Ministry is life. Like, your life is your ministry. So it's not like, that's not really, I think people who be like, oh, my ministry is like my work. No, my ministry is my life. Like, I should be able to, when I'm talking about busy yourself with 7 to 8 things, it's written down in my journal. I should be able to give you the exact scripture. That shows me that tonight on the podcast, when I record the podcast for tonight and tomorrow, post it tomorrow, that should be the first thing that I should be talking about, is like memorizing that scripture. So we are going to talk about hard work. We're going to talk about hard work on tomorrow's podcast. But I'm going to start cleaning, and then I'm going to see you guys in a minute. So I changed my shirt, because my other shirt I went out in, and it was like a little sweaty. So I was like, oh. So right now I am doing my evening rundown. So what I like to do is, and what I see the best thing to do is, the best thing to do is have your morning, and then this is like messed up. Sorry. Actually, it's not messed up. It's just really big, really heavy. And then I've been having them on all day, so they're not like straight anymore. I like my lashes to be like straight, which is like not good when you have fake lashes, because they curl, and I don't really like lashes that curl that much. You see how I like it? Or maybe it's just the angle. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's better. So I am doing my end of the day rundown. So at the end of the day rundown, we go over everything. We go over everything that we accomplished that day, and then just like everything that I did. And then I'm gonna have a spreadsheet. Let me add that. Feel free to call me. And then the last thing is I am going to make a spreadsheet with all of this information, so you know where I am at every day. You can check it if you want. I can do a spreadsheet or make a digital planner. Stop it! In Notion. Okay, so I'm thinking making a digital planner in Notion, so that like every day he knows this is what happened today. It's easier in Notion, but I can do a spreadsheet. I'm gonna just say digital planner. Well, this every day. I'll give you that link. I will give you that link tomorrow or Saturday. Okay. So basically, what I'm saying is, so far I've done 3 hours. So I'm probably gonna do another 3 hours or 4 hours, 3-4 hours. So 4, 5, 6, so that's 7 hours. So I think another 4 hours, sit baby, would be good. So basically on the daily rundown, I give, basically it's so that they can kind of see where I'm at every day. There's communication there. If they have any questions about what I did, I'm explaining everything I'm doing, and it's just so notes. It's really easy when like, it's best when you're behind. It's best when you're ahead. It's best when, it's best to do it every day. You don't have to do it every day.